Introduction to ratio. So what is ratio? Ratio is the relationship between two different quantities. Ratio tells us how much of one thing there is compared to another. So here we have an example of two things, that is apples and oranges. So we can count apples. There are apples 1 2 3 4 5 6 apples, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 oranges. So we can write it in the form of ratio. For example, first we write ratio of apples to the ratio of oranges, or we can write it in the form of ratio, that is apples. How many apples? Apples are 6, so we can write 6 here, and 6 to oranges are 9, so 6 to 9. Or in the form of notation, we can write it as 6 to, replace 2 by colon, 6 to 9. Ratio is always in the form of reduced form or simplest form. So we see here that the 6 and 9 has the common factors 3. So we divide it by 3. 6 divided by 3 times it gives 2, and 3 times 3 it gives 3. So the reduced form of ratio of apples to orange is 2:3. Now if you see that for every 2 apples there are 3 oranges, or we can group them. Here we have 2 apples. For every 2 apples there are 3 oranges. Here also there are 2 apples for 3 oranges, and so we have, you see that the ratio is 2:3. Now if we change the things and write the ratio as ratio of oranges, we write oranges. First we exchange the things. Ratio of oranges to the ratio of apples, or the ratio of oranges, the number, we swap the number, that is the number of oranges, it is 9, so we write 9 here, 2, and the oranges are, the apples are 6, so we write 6 here. The reduced form of it is, it divide, both the numbers divide by 3, so we write 3 times and 3 2 times. So the reduced form of ratio is 3:2. So you see the ratio of apples to orange is 2:3, and the ratio of oranges to apple is 3:2. So the ratio is always in reduced form, and it has no units. So in this way we find the ratio of two different things.